Morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I figured I'd go through some of what we're doing here in the shop. I've got this 54-inch wide, 12-foot long table. Doing some work on these legs, just beefing them up. There'll be a third leg going into this table. We've got an issue with springiness right here in this neck of this leg, and my welder will be beefing that up. And here is a 20-foot long dining table. This is the bottom. We're in the downhill stretch of this as far as getting it finished. The top, which is underneath now, is sanded, and this is the bottom. It's laid out. We'll see if we can get you in here close enough to see. There's some yellow marks laid out for metal work, which will attach to the slab legs. And here is an idea of what these legs look like, and there'll be timber lock through the metal flat bar, and then it'll be attached to the table with threaded inserts and 8mm bolts. So I'll get down on this end, give you a look at the table. And this is a custom built table, but this is in the works. It's what we do to get things prepped and ready. And legs are the next thing going on this table. The reason I want the threaded inserts just going into the wood is the epoxy's in layers. We have this being the bottom side, the darkest layer is here, and it's only about 3/8 of an inch thick, and then the pigment gets lighter and lighter, so that way you get the effect of the live edge. And once that's flipped over, I'll do another video just of what's going on. And then over here, all of this is benches. So there'll be 6 benches total, and gives you 18 feet of benches each side, and of course there'll be a gap in between, you know, when you have them sitting there, or you can jam them together when nobody's sitting. But it makes no sense to have a 18-20 foot long bench. And I'll show you those. They're in the sanding process. We'll get finish on those today, and yeah, be wrapping up those benches. But back here, I'll show you this. Here are the other 2 legs. There'll be 3 legs on this 20-foot table. So right now in the table is the 12-foot, the 20-foot. We've got an 8-foot table here that Eli's working on, and bring you around this way. We've got some countertops and vanity tops we've got cut and ready for the customer. For kitchen, these are all walnut. And over here is a 7-foot table, walnut and black epoxy. And then we have a single slab live edge with the same type of slab legs that's going on the 20-foot table. So anyway, that'll be the end of this video. We'll have more just giving updates on the progress of the two tables once we get the welding done on the 12-foot table, and once we start progressing with attaching the legs on the 20-foot table. So you guys have a good one. Appreciate you watching the channel. Like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos on progress.